9 herbs that attract pollinators to your garden. Do you wish to create a garden buzzing with life? Are pollinators important? Pollinators are incredibly valuable because of the role they play in our ecosystem. Pollinators fertilize most flowering plants to enable them to make seeds to reproduce. So life wouldn't be what it is without pollinating species. To create a pollinator-friendly environment, you should carefully select a wide range of flowering plants, especially those that flower at different times of the year. Doing this ensures a sufficient supply of nectar for different pollinating species. Growing a wide range of fragrant flowering flowers attracts pollinators while keeping bugs and other harmful insects at bay. What herbs can you grow to attract pollinating species? Chives. Chives come as onion or garlic chives. As the names imply, garlic chives have garlic flavor, while onion chives have onion flavor. They are both allium species, and they are effective pollinating attractors. Chives are perennial herbs that are easy to grow and maintain. They produce flowers in spring and summer. Pollinators are attracted to chives flowers. Garlic chives are characterized by a round ball of purple flowers. Onion chives, on the other hand, have dainty, upright white flowers. Rosemary. Rosemary is a green, resilient herb with woody stems and needle-like flowers that pollinators love. This herb survives harsh conditions and is pest-resistant. Rosemary is beginner-friendly and low-maintenance. It can survive in most climates. This herb's nectar-rich blue and purple flowers attract bees. Although rosemary blooms continuously in summer and spring, it flowers early in spring before a lot of other plants have bloomed. Lavender. Lavender is an awesome herb loved by both pollinators and humans. It is a pollinator magnet because bees love purple summer flowers and pollinators always buzz in lavender gardens. Lavender is known as Lavandula angustifolia and is best grown in Mediterranean climates. Lavender is one of the top herbs to consider when attracting bees and other pollinators to your garden. Lavender is a perennial herb that blooms in spring and early summer. It's a great source of nectar for pollinating species. Oregano. Native to the Mediterranean regions, oregano sends up stalks with dense clusters of purple-white flowers that attract different pollinating species, especially honeybees. Oregano is an aromatic perennial that prefers warmer areas with enough sunlight during the day. Provide your plant with well-drained soil. Oregano is in the mint family with rosemary and thyme. Oregano also tends to grow quickly out of a garden bed. In cooler climates, oregano is an annual while perennial in warmer climates. Thyme. Thyme is another evergreen perennial herb in the mint family that attracts pollinators. Thyme produces dainty white and purple flowers that attract many pollinating species including bees and parasitoid wasps. The flowering season of thyme usually begins in late spring. This herb has tiny leaves that are rich in flavor and are used in different cuisines around the world. Thyme has a molding growth habit and looks spectacular spilling out of pots. Another great addition to the list of herbs that attract pollinators to your garden. To try out the thyme, look for a spot in your garden that receives enough sun. Provide sandy, well-draining soils. Mint. Mint is also an excellent choice to attract pollinating species to your garden. Mint is an easy-growing perennial. Gardeners should consider growing mint in pots because it takes up garden beds in no time. Mint flowers look like basil flowers. Mint produces pink and white flowers during summer. Peppermint and spearmint are the most popular mints. Mornada, bee balm. Bee balm is endemic to North America. Also known as Mornada, bee balm is not only beneficial for pollination, but also has a rich history in Native American cultures for its purported medicinal benefits. As the name implies, bees love foraging in Mornada flowers. Other pollinators, such as hummingbirds, are attracted to Mornada. Bee balm can be grown as a summer annual in cold climates. Although Mornada is in the mint family, it is helpful to know that it doesn't quickly take up your garden flower beds like other mint species. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is another herb to consider for attracting pollinators to your garden. Lemon balm is a perennial plant in the mint family that spreads and takes over a garden bed. For beginners, it is recommended that they grow lemon balm in pots or raised beds to control growth. From ancient times, lemon balm has been a magnet for bees and revered by beekeepers for centuries. For example, in ancient Greece, beekeepers planted lemon balm near beehives for honeybees to feed on the nectar-rich flowers. Today, lemon balm is still a bee magnet because bees love the nectar-rich flowers. Although it attracts pollinators, its strong scent repels harmful insects. Anise Hyssop. Anise Hyssop is another herb in the mint family that attracts pollinators. There are different hyssop cultivars. Keep in mind that unlike other mint family herbs, hyssop doesn't take up your garden bed. Hyssop blooms in summer on tall, showy stalks with purple to pink flowers. These flower stalks attract pollinating species such as bees, hummingbirds, and butterflies. That wraps up our list of 9 incredible herbs that'll transform your garden into a pollinator's paradise. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button to support our content. And if you're keen on diving deeper into the world of gardening, you won't want to miss this video, 11 Plants to Attract Butterflies to Your Garden. It's a delightful guide filled with vibrant plants that will make your garden a butterfly haven. So go ahead, click on it, and let's continue this gardening journey together. Remember, your likes and shares mean the world to us. Life is better when you garden.